Let's talk about powder down. Down is a specific type of feather that is found in most but not all bird species. It functions largely as insulation. It's very soft and fluffy and usually goes underneath the coarser outer feathers to keep the bird warm. But powder down is a specific type of down feathers that's only found in a couple different bird species. That includes blue herons, like this one up here, but also species of pigeons and parrots as well. Powder down is distinct from other types of down feathers because when other down gets old and kind of worn down, it just sheds and a new down feather grows in. However, the powder down does not get shed. Instead, the ends just kind of keep growing out, and as the ends get old, they kind of disintegrate and turn into this very fine powder. The ends of the powder down feathers are very fragile, even more so as they age, so they very easily just kind of disintegrate and fall off, and then that powder can be used for multiple things. One of the more important uses is waterproofing, especially in birds like herons. When preening or cleaning their feathers with the beak, the blue heron and the other birds that produce powder down, they sort of spread that powder throughout all the rest of their feathers with their beak, creating this kind of powdery coating that coats their other feathers and provides kind of this waterproof finish. Another function of powder down feathers is to keep the rest of the bird clean. It acts to kind of remove dust and dirt and other debris, and that's done by kind of still combing through the other feathers and depositing this powder while also removing other junk. And again, this is done either with the beak of the bird or occasionally with the claws. Sometimes birds even have a specialized claw that does this very effectively. So that is how a bunch of different birds create powder with their own feathers that they use for many different types of functions.